Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unstake Tron on Trust Wallet. It's quite easy to get this done. Make sure you have the Tron on your wallet, and if you can't find it on the crypto section, simply search for TRX. And the Tron we're looking for is a native Tron, as any other Tron can't be staked. So click on the Tron, that's the native Tron. Click on the native staking option, and once you've selected this option, we can have a look at our stake Tron and what is available. So all you need to do to unstake your Tron is click on this unstake option, enter the amount you wish to unstake. And one thing you need to note is you have to unstake from the validator you used, not any other validator. No other validator or provider can give you your Tron. So with that in mind, simply click on continue. And another thing is the amount you staked is what you can unstake. You can't unstake any other amount. As you can see here, what's available is 6 Tron. So click on continue, enter your passcode, pay the gas fees, and once that's done, your Tron would then be unstaked. As you can see here, my Tron has been unstaked, and the unstaking is in process. And once this unstake is completed, you'd have 3 Tron added to your wallet or added to your available balance. Okay guys, and one thing you need to note is once you're done on staking, you have to claim your pending tokens, and the pending tokens wouldn't be given back to you until 13 days is completed. And after the 13 days has been completed, your unstaked Tron would then be deposited directly into your wallet. That's one thing you need to note. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can unstake Tron, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.